There are 195 countries on the planet, and every country has its own emergency alert system. Last year, I rated some of those alarms. So to celebrate by almost hitting 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to be rating every EAS alarms on the planet. HE double hockey sticks, man. What the fun, dude. And at the end, we're going to be figuring out which country has the scariest alarms on the planet. Your country's on here. The first alarm I found is from the land of anime, Japan. So this is an earthquake warning. Japan is trying to make people calm, and that's why they made it so not scary. But Japan does have a second alarm. They played this alarm after North Korea launched a nuke at them. We'll give it a listen. Yeah, that one's scarier. That's going into 7 out of 10. Now it's the Iraq alarm. I like the random building just chilling there. The scariest part about this alarm is that you don't hear it anymore. And you just notice someone's coming for you. Or someone. 10 out of 10. Next alarm is from the Philippines. Yeah, that's the Philippines. Let's rate this alarm. That's an iPhone alarm. It's kind of tame. Like if there's an earthquake, I don't know, just hype me up, make me feel like that there's an earthquake going on. They have another alarm. This one like play on television. There's a lot of talking here. I don't know what's happening. I don't speak Tagalog. Dang! What is this? It was just peaceful earlier, but... Oh, whoa! Now that's what I'm talking about here. That is hype right there. 9.5 out of 10. That is an excellent alarm. Next, we're rating Sweden. Somebody recorded this outside of their bedroom window. It's a siren alarm. Imagine you're waking up by that sound and then going outside and then you realize that you're the only one there. Everyone's just gone. 7 out of 10. Saudi Arabia. It's not scary. It's just kind of like a guy talking. Yo, what the heck? That guy's speaking English. Gas masks? What? I don't have a gas mask. Who owns gas masks? This is their missile siren. Look at that flashing light thing. Whoa! 3 out of 10. Try again, Saudis. Yeah. Okay, I've got it down. That's a mid-tier alarm as well. Slightly better. That's a 5 out of 10. Canada time. Let's see what they got. If you hear that sound, we're about to drop some nukes on you. That's a 10 out of 10. Traveling back to Asia, South Korea. Imagine if you're trying to watch K-pop and then that comes on. Oh my god. That would make me cry. So I'll give it a 7 out of 10.